Okay, we're going to show the installation for our privacy barn door lock from INOX inside a wall with metal studs. So we're going to show the first version here, which is our standard installation using our standard bracket. We have two studs stacked here. So we have a standard 2 1/8 bore on the jamb here, which is not showing a stud at this point. The stud is inside with a flat backing, makes it for an easy install. We have our 1-inch bore from the side for the bolts. We have a couple of tips I'm going to show you here real quick, because if you don't bore the 1-inch hole exactly in the right position, you're going to need to shim it. On the back of the bracket, I use 2 screws for shims so that I can adjust them with a screwdriver. And the second tip is for the installation. If you're going to put the bracket inside the hole, you need a way to hold it when you place it in there to not drop the bracket down inside the frame. So we're going to start out by pushing the bracket into the hole that we drilled. We're going to install the bolt. After we get that in place, we are going to install the bracket installation screws. Once you get both screws in place, you can go ahead and remove your bracket holders. Now these are the trim screws, and what you'll end up doing is cutting them down to the proper size. So we'll cut those. I already have a pair that's pre-cut. We can install our trim. And once our trim's installed, we have perfect function of our sliding barn door lock.